Hi, I'm James from Netvio, and I'm here at Habitek today to talk to you about the Netvio AV over IP solutions, particularly our JP4 and JP460 DNT solutions. So I have the encoder and the decoder here in front of me. These are standard PoE and they run perfectly with our Netvio branded switches, which come completely pre-configured out of the box for integration with our AV over IP solutions, including our innovative Content Plus streams and Dante audio that I'll talk about shortly. The products are very small form factor, perfect for mounting behind displays, and feature both HDMI loop through and audio return channel and eARC on the units, as well as IR and RS232 pass-through. They work with the same controller as all our AV over IP solutions, meaning that they can be easily configured from our Netvio 360 software and integrate with all of our universal API drivers for all major brand control systems and our Netvio Go app. And I want to show you now just how easy it is to configure a Netvio AV over IP system. Netvio 360 is the free configuration tool for Mac and Windows, and upon launching the software you can scan and find any Netvio matrix and AV over IP controllers on the network. If any firmware updates are required, it will suggest those to you now, and within 2 clicks you can have those easily installed. But what we want to do today is go through and configure the system. We log in with the standard username and password, which is admin and password. And you'll be presented with the inputs and outputs of the system. If you're connecting for the first time, you can press scan and assign, and it will scan the network and find any encoders and decoders, or if you're adding to the system, you can press the same button to do that. We can easily start routing content around the system. And we can easily check any information about any connected devices that we have running as well. Through our filters up here, we can take the infrared, the audio, serial, and on the JP4 series our USB routing, and check details about that. So we can see here the resolution of the system, the EDID in use on this encoder, as well as audio details. And we can even take a live preview from the system as well. One of the unique features of Netvio is that all our AV over IP encoders feature our Content Plus dual encoder solution, which enables you to take both 4K HDR video to our decoders, and also take a 1080p 30 Hz with two channel audio to any RTSP capable receiving device, so smart devices, tablets and displays. And setting that up is simply as easy as going to the network section, choosing the details for the network connection for the wider network, and if you're using VLAN tagging, then you can utilize that to separate the AV over IP from the wider network where you're receiving the stream. With that configured, you simply copy the RTSP URL and you can paste that into any device. With the JP460 DNT, we have added Dante AV into our encoders and decoders for the first time as well, enabling 2-channel in and 2-channel out of Dante audio from both devices. And that too is very, very simple to configure. So we set up the system, and again we simply go to our network settings, and now we have the ability to utilize the exact same network tagging technology to set the IP address into a different subnet or VLAN on the network as well. Once the Dante audio is enabled, we can then access the Dante audio and route that anywhere on the system. It's really, really simple to then integrate it with Dante's powerful domain manager and director tools at the click of a button. The Dante AVA products also have a second mode. As well as working working perfectly with the Netvio controller, they can also be used completely independently as well, which would mean managing the whole system without the need for the Netvio controller itself. In that scenario, any users who are using a Dante audio workflow already will then see the video channels and the ancillary channels of IR and serial in Dante Controller and be able to route that using Dante's managed API or the Dante API through standard systems. The JP460 DNT sits alongside the JP460 system and is fully interspersible with JP460, meaning you can cross and use the JP460 where Dante is not required and use Dante capable encoders and decoders where you need to as well. The Netvio JP460 DNT series joins our JP4 and JP460 products and is available now from Habitech. We are really proud of the ease of use of the system, and we work really hard to continuously update our software with new and innovative features. You can find out more information about the products at netvio.co.uk, and I hope to see you in the next video.